Welcome back to our channel. Today, we have an exciting review lined up for you. We'll be taking an in-depth look at one of the best VPNs out there, P.I.A VPN. If you're considering getting a VPN or just want to know more about P.I.A, stick around and we'll discuss P.I.A VPN features and P.I.A VPN free trial. If you don't want to miss on special discounts and offers, don't forget to check the links in the description below. Alright, let's jump right in the review. P.I.A VPN, also known as Private Internet Access, is a well-established VPN service that has been around for quite some time. You can enjoy a secure and private internet connection, thanks to its advanced AES-256 encryption protocols and robust no-logs policy, which have been independently verified by a renowned auditing firm. Rest assured that your online activities leave no traces on their servers. You can also turn on the kill switch so that your data remains secure even if your VPN connection unexpectedly disconnects, preventing any potential leaks. It also has a split tunneling feature that allows you to select specific websites or applications to connect through the VPN while allowing others to bypass the VPN connection. And for those annoying pop-up ads, this VPN has a free ad blocker, the MACE feature, which protects your device against malicious websites, ads, and trackers. In terms of P.I.A VPN speed, it doesn't disappoint. It has a vast network of servers spread across 85 countries, allowing you to access content and browse the web with minimal lag or buffering. It's also a fast VPN for gaming. If you're tired of dealing with lag during online gaming sessions, P.I.A VPN offers unlimited bandwidth and optimized servers for gaming. These servers are designed to provide a stable and fast connection, reducing latency and ping, enhancing your gaming experience. But it's not just for gamers. P.I.A VPN is also one of the best VPNs for streaming. With their wide range of server locations, you can easily access region-specific content from different streaming platforms. Whether it's Netflix, Hulu, or BBC iPlayer, or sports streaming sites, this VPN works. However, certain countries like China, Russia, Belarus, and North Korea restrict the use of VPN services to only those that are officially sanctioned. But, in the majority of locations worldwide, VPN usage is completely legal and, in many instances, even encouraged. Also, while it supports torrenting, using the VPN for downloading copyrighted material is against the law in most countries, so it is strongly advised to refrain from engaging in such activities. And don't forget, if you want to stream your favorite content, make sure to grab a subscription to your preferred streaming sites. It's the only way to enjoy all the great shows and movies they have to offer. Now, let's talk about compatibility. Whether you're using a Windows PC, Mac, iOS, or Android device, it offers dedicated apps for all major platforms. The apps are intuitive, easy to navigate, and provide seamless connectivity with just a few clicks. One of the standout features of P.I.A VPN is its support for unlimited simultaneous connections. This means you can protect all your devices with a single subscription, making it perfect for families or individuals with multiple devices. Now, you might be wondering about the pricing. P.I.A VPN offers different subscription plans to suit your needs. And the best part is they provide a 30-day money-back guarantee, so you can try out their service risk-free. Now, for those who want to test P.I.A VPN before committing to a subscription, they offer a 7-day free trial, specifically for iOS and Android. If you find that P.I.A isn't the perfect fit for you, simply get in touch with the 24/7 customer support, and they will gladly assist you in obtaining a refund. In conclusion, P.I.A VPN is a feature-rich VPN service that excels in speed, security, and versatility. Whether you're looking for a VPN for gaming, streaming, or simply to protect your online privacy, P.I.A VPN has got you covered. That's it for today's P.I.A VPN review. Reminder, check out the links below for special offers and discounts. If you found this video helpful, don't forget to give it a thumbs up and share it with your friends. And if you have any questions or suggestions, feel free to leave them in the comments below. Subscribe to our channel for more VPN reviews. Thanks for watching, and we'll see you in the next video.